Welcome back to Pesistech Byte. This week I want to talk with you about how to upgrade SharePoint Framework solutions. In fact, we know that every now and then Microsoft releases new versions of SharePoint Framework as well as of the SharePoint Framework Yeoman Generator. Moreover, even if we use external packages, maybe there will be upgrades for those packages available on the NPM. So let's see how to upgrade and update your solutions to target the latest version of the libraries that you use. From an SPFx perspective, if you want to update your solution in order to use the latest version of the SharePoint Framework, you will have first of all to use the npm updated command to see what are the outdated packages that you have. And those with a name at Microsoft/sp- will be those related to the SharePoint Framework. You can always update them using npm install, targeting the latest version, and saving with --save argument those packages as a reference in the package.json file of your solution. Then you will need to make a cleanup of your solution with gulp clean and to build it again with gulp build. During gulp build, maybe there will be some exceptions, some build issues that you will have to fix in order to be compliant with the latest version of the SharePoint Framework that you just referenced. From a Yeoman Generator perspective, the story is almost the same as before, but the Yeoman Generator is installed globally, so you will have to make an npm updated for globally installed packages. You will have to install the latest version again globally with the -g argument for the npm install. And if you want to target any specific version of the Yeoman Generator, you can always create a local folder. You can install that specific version of the Yeoman Generator in that folder, and by running the Yeoman Generator from the folder, you will execute the local one, so the target version that you want to have, that you want to use for your specific solution. So let me move to the demo environment and let me show you how to do that in practice. Here we are in Visual Studio Code within a SharePoint Framework solution, which is based on SharePoint Framework version 1.3.4, as you can see here in the package.json file. And as you can see, the latest version available at the time of this recording for SharePoint Framework is 1.4.1. So we are in a good shape to make an upgrade. Let me switch to the command prompt and let me show you, even using npm outdated, that we have some outdated packages related to the SharePoint Framework environment. So in order to upgrade those packages toward the latest version, we will simply need to execute the npm install name of the package /save, targeting the latest version of the package, if that's the one we want to reach, the one we want to install. It will take a while, and we will have to do the same thing for all of the packages installed and referenced in the dependency section of the package.json file, as well as for the dev dependencies. For the dev dependencies, you will have to use the --save-dev argument instead of a --save. So just for the sake of clarity, I will show you that example, and then I will simply fade out and fade in the video when the packages will be all updated. This is the syntax that you have to use for a package that is in the dev dependencies section instead of the dependencies one. So once you've done that for all of the @Microsoft/sp-something packages, your solution will be upgraded and you will be ready to test if it works properly or if you have to update anything in the code base to make it compliant with the latest release of the SharePoint Framework. Now that the latest versions of all of the packages have been installed, as you can see, the package.json file has been updated targeting those versions, and we are now ready to gulp clean our solution. And pretty soon we will also make a gulp build request to see if everything is okay or if we need to fix anything in the solution. Takes a while to build. And as you can see, we have small issues right now, 7 errors, which can be easily fixed if we go to the Visual Studio Code, and we slightly change our solution to adapt it to the target version of the SharePoint framework that we are now using. In fact, you will simply need to edit the tsconfig.json file, and you will need to add one more argument to skip lib check equal true. You save the tsconfig file, you go back to the build, and you can just run one more time gulp build and be ready to run your solution. It's a matter of a few seconds to build it. And now, as you can see, the solution is ready to be executed. And that's it. You upgraded your solution from 1.3.4 to 1.4.1. As usual, thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it interesting, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next week. Thank you.